So we're gonna test out the DJI. We're gonna test a few features of the DJI setting. It has got 6 settings. And we're starting off with the circle. A low circle of 20 meters. We have got enough room for this. 20 meters all around us. So be sure that you have 20 meters all around you. So let's start this first circle.
3, 2, 1.
And it's up in the air. It's going down at the moment and I don't think we can see it, but it's gonna circle around us. But I'll switch the screens. And there it goes, it's circling around us. And this is 20 meters of a circle. I think it got stuck a little bit. Sometimes it looks like it's stuck, but it's not. But it's circling around us. After this, we're going to do a circle of 10 meters and maybe a little bit closer. We're gonna have to look at what we're gonna do with that. But when it comes back, we're gonna do another circle, and I'll tell you what kind of circle we're going to do. I think it's on its way back to us now. And when you do a circle with this drone, it's doing another kind of circle. Try to find us, I think. The connection was lost. Let's do another circle. And let's do a circle of 6 meters. It's already here, so let's start at 6 meters circle. I think 6 meters would be nice. It's already doing its circle. And after this, we're also gonna do another. And it stopped. After this, we're also gonna do another. It's fighting against the wind. I think that's why it was having problems earlier. Okay, so that was the circle. Let's try and see what the Dronie does. Dronie, let's see. Let's do a Dronie of 10 meters. We're also gonna let it rise. There's somebody over there. Oh, maybe we can do the Dronie this other way.
3, 2, 1.
And it's gonna do a Dronie and it's gonna rise. And yeah, you can see the environment. And it's only 10 meters. We can't go farther than that. And it's also coming back to us. And it's coming back now. Let's have a look at it. And you can see it's really struggling with the wind. Then we have a rocket. I don't know about the rocket, but let's try the rocket and it will go up. So let's try it. Rocket, let's try 10 meters also with the rocket. Rotation, let's turn that on and let's go with the rocket. Let me stand aside for a little bit.
3, 2, 1.
And we're off. And it's gonna do the rocket and it's gonna rotate. And it's going to go 10 meters up and then it's gonna come down again. It seems good, seems steady when it's up there, 10 meters high. And I'll show you guys the footage of the drone, what the drone sees and if it's stable. And after this, it's coming down already. I don't know if I can see it is struggling with the wind, but Land. I'm gonna push the land button. And it's landed. We're gonna do a follow shot, but we're gonna do it at a little bit further away. So let's move quickly because we only got one battery. So let's save this battery and then we'll go ahead and do a follow shot. Okay, so we're gonna do the follow shot and we're gonna walk on this path and let the drone follow us.
Follow. Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
And as you can see, the drone is following us. So let's go. It's a windy day, so it's struggling with some things I've noticed. But okay, let's check out if it will follow us. We've got some obstacles over here. And it seems nice. Let's go ahead and let these people go. And this is the drone. The people can go aside us. Let those people, there's one more guy coming, and let them go aside us. This is the drone, what it looks like, and when we walk at it, it will go back. And there's one more guy coming, so we'll wait for him. As you can see, it's struggling with the wind. Right. Okay, so the guy's fast. Let's go ahead and walk this way. So it's gonna follow us over the bridge. I hope it doesn't get caught by the water, because if it gets caught by the water, we might have some problems with it. But we're gonna walk this, and then after that we're gonna do one of the other shots. And I think we've got 3 shots at the moment. And the drone, I can hear it, it's still following me. And it's doing a good job with it. And this is a close follow. Medium follow. You also have a far follow, and it will show my whole body from head to toe. But this is nice. And I'm also, I don't know, I'm wearing the Mic Mini and the Mic 2. And yeah, I'm curious how it's gonna sound when we listen back to this in post, because it is a rowdy little drone. It makes a lot of noise, especially when you're inside. But yeah, we'll have a look at that if and when we are in post. So let's continue this. I don't know how much battery we have. I don't know if I have it still connected to the app. If I have it connected to the app, I can look at how much battery we have left. But it turns and follows nicely. Okay, so let's end this here. Okay, so spotlight is gonna hover around here like that. And when we walk, it's gonna follow us. So let's go ahead and walk in, and it's gonna rotate on position, and it's gonna make a nice shot for us. And you can put it over there, and it's gonna, you know, stay there, follow you. Let me fly it back up and forward, and then I'll fly it back to us. Down, up, and maybe we can, maybe over there we can do a direction track, far, medium and flat. Let's do it far and flat. Okay, let's start it up.
3, 2, 1.
It's going away, and with direction track it's supposed to follow us, and it's struggling, it's really struggling with the wind. But yeah, we have people coming up, so let's stop it over here. And that's what direction track looks like.